Welcome back. You can broadcast your workshop live into YouTube Live. And to do that, you are going to use your connection software, and you're going to go to this area to create. It's going to take you to an area where you can either schedule your stream, or you can broadcast your webcam direct from your personal computer, or you can broadcast using your software. And so we're going to go to the stream area in order to conduct that kind of broadcast. What you're going to see here is that the YouTube Studio will actually want you to set up your streaming software. And we're going to create a new stream key. We're going to give that stream key a name. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave the RTMP setting, which is the default, in place. We're then going to click Create. You will then see your stream information here inside of YouTube. What you'll see here are the stream URL and the stream key. And so what you'll do is you'll put this inside of your streaming software. And what you'll notice here is that we have the same information to place inside of our broadcast software. And this enables us to broadcast the same workshop live using YouTube. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.